Imagine transforming your look from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few strokes of a brush. Welcome to the world of the smoky eye, a beauty secret that has been passed down through generations. This iconic look is more than just an application of eyeshadow. It's a transformative power that can elevate your beauty game to new heights. The smoky eye look is versatile and can be tailored to suit any occasion or mood. It's a look that can add an alluring depth to your eyes, making them more captivating and expressive. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or stepping out for a night on the town, the smoky eye look can be your secret weapon to stand out. But what makes it truly special is the confidence it inspires. When you master the smoky eye look, you're not just applying makeup. You're unlocking a secret door to a world of glamour and sophistication. Before we dive in, gather the essential tools for our beauty journey. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette. It should have a range of dark to light shades to create that perfect gradient. Next, we'll need a blending brush and an eyeshadow brush to apply and blend our colors seamlessly. An eyeliner is crucial to define our eyes, and of course, a good quality primer is essential to ensure our smoky eye look lasts all day or all night. With these tools at our disposal, we're ready to create magic. Now, it's time to create your masterpiece, step by step. This is where the magic happens. First, we start with the primer. The primer is your canvas. It's the groundwork for your smoky eye masterpiece. Apply it gently over your entire eyelid, creating a smooth surface for your eyeshadow to cling to. It's the unsung hero in making sure your smoky eye stays put, looking sultry and mysterious for hours. Next, it's time for the base eyeshadow. This is your foundation color. Choose a light neutral shade that complements your skin tone and brush it across your entire eyelid. This base color sets the stage for the drama that's about to unfold. Now it's time to introduce some depth and dimension. Choose a darker shade, preferably in the same color family as your base. Apply it to the outer corners of your eyes and blend it inwards. This is where the smoky in smoky eye comes from. Here's a pro tip. Blending is key. It's the secret to achieving that seamless transition from light to dark, that dreamy, hazy effect that makes a smoky eye so enchanting. Now let's define those eyes. Take your eyeliner and draw a thin line along your upper lash line. This will give your eyes a defined, intense look. If you want to go for more drama, you can add a line along your lower lash line as well. Finally, it's time for the grand finale, mascara. A couple of coats of your favorite mascara, and your eyes are instantly transformed. Your lashes will look longer, thicker, and more voluminous, adding the perfect finishing touch to your smoky eye. And there you have it. With a little bit of practice and a lot of patience, you can master the art of the smoky eye. It's a timeless look that's perfect for any occasion, from a casual day at the office to a glamorous evening out. Voila! You've just created a stunning smoky eye look. There you have it, a smoky eye look that's sure to turn heads. Remember, beauty is all about expressing your individuality, so feel free to play around with different shades and textures. It's all about finding what works best for you. And don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Like any art, mastering the smoky eye requires time and practice. So go ahead, embrace your glamour, and let your eyes do the talking. Don't forget to share your stunning smoky eye looks with us. Until next time, stay beautiful.